Next problem, page number 52. Do this. Draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5, y equal to 2x minus 5, and third one y equal to 2x. Find the point of intersection on x-axis. Is the x coordinate of these points also the 0 of the polynomial? Okay. First one, you have to draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5, and we have to find the 0 of the polynomials also from these graphs. First one, y equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, children, for drawing the graph we need xy coordinates. That's why create a table like this. X, y. Children, here the equation is y equal to 2x plus 5. Now substitute some values for deciding the xy values. At first I am taking y equal to minus 1. Sorry, x equal to minus 1. If x equal to minus 1, then y equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 5. Okay, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 plus 5. So the answer will be 3. Y equal to 3. If x equal to minus 1, the answer of y is 3. Okay, so now substitute here. If x equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. Now I am taking x equal to 0. Here the equation is y equal to 2x plus 5. If I substitute x equal to 0, the answer is y equal to 5. Okay, if x equal to 0, y equal to 5. Now substitute 0, 5. And the next value I am taking x equal to 1. If I take x equal to 1, y will be 2 into 1 plus 5, that is 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Okay, if x equal to 1, y equal to 7, that is 1, 7. Now I am taking x equal to minus 2. You can choose any values for your choice. So now I am taking x equal to minus 2. The equation is y equal to 2x plus 5. And if you substitute minus 2 in the place of x, you got minus 4 plus 5, that is 1. Okay, if x equal to minus 2, what will be the y value? 1. So minus 2, 1. Okay, for deciding straight line, you can calculate any values of your choice, but 3 points are enough to draw the straight line. Okay, here I calculated 4 points. By using these points, draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, children, I have no graph. That's why draw the graph by using these points. You know how to draw the graph. Okay, after drawing the graph, you can find that y equal to 2x plus 5 is a straight line, and this straight line touches the x-axis at points minus 5 by 2 comma 0. Okay, so the point where the straight line touches the x-axis is the point gives the 0 of the polynomial. Here straight line touches the x-axis at minus 5 by 2 comma 0. So in this point, x coordinate is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so you can calculate the 0 of the polynomial without drawing the graph also. Let me explain how to find the 0 of the polynomial. Here the equation is y equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, what is the 0 of the polynomial? Yes, if you substitute any value in the place of x, and you got the result as 0, and that point that is what value you substitute in this polynomial is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so for finding the 0 of the polynomial of this polynomial, let Equal this polynomial with 0 and calculate the x value. 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. So x equal to minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. That means if you substitute minus 5 by 2 in the place of x, you got the result 0. Okay. Let's check. Y equal to 2x plus 5. That is 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5. 2 get cancelled. So the y equal to minus 5 plus 5. Y equal to 0. Okay. So here we got the result 0. And for getting this 0, we substitute minus 5 by 2 in the place of x. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. This value also you can find from the graph. If you draw the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5, the graph is a straight line and this straight line touches the x-axis at point minus 5 by 2 comma 0. In this point, x coordinate is the 0 of the polynomial. So minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Okay, children, draw the graph by using these points. After drawing the graph, write the information like this. From the graph, the graph of y equal to 2x plus 5 is a straight line and it touches the, or it intersects the x-axis at point minus 5 by 2 comma 0. So in this point the x coordinate is minus 5 by 2. So therefore this is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial is minus 5 by 2. Okay.